you really need a coaching certification to be a successful coach, or is it just an expensive piece of paper? If you've been stressing about whether or not to get certified, you're not alone. Some coaches swear by it, others say it's a waste of time and money. So today, I'm breaking down the real pros and cons of coaching certification so you can make the right decision for your business. And by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to do next. Hey there, I'm Mariah Riona, an award-winning luxury brand designer, luxury branding coach, and the host of Super Bloom Coach podcast. And this is Super Bloom Coach Presents, the ultimate guide to starting your life coaching business. Every day this month, I'm walking you step by step through launching your coaching business the right way. If you haven't grabbed the free workbook yet, head to mariahriona.com/workbook or click the link in the description. It's designed to help you take action on everything we cover, so go grab it now. One of the biggest questions I get from new coaches is, do I need a certification to be successful? Some coaches say you absolutely must be certified to be legit. Others say it's completely unnecessary. So let's talk about the real truth behind coaching certifications, the pros, the cons, and how to know if you should invest in one. The pros: when a certification can be valuable. I'll be honest, getting certified myself was one of the most transformative experiences of my entire life. Not only did it make me a better coach, but it also completely changed my mindset and confidence around coaching. When I went through my certification, I had a moment where everything clicked, where I felt like a real coach for the first time. And that feeling was priceless. If you want to know more about my own experience, be sure to check out my vlog series about getting certified. The link is in the description. So here are the biggest benefits of getting certified. It gives you confidence in your skills. If you feel like you need more structure and tools to coach effectively, certification can certainly help. It provides a clear coaching framework. A great certification program will give you proven techniques that make coaching easier. It helps you build credibility. Some clients may prefer to work with a certified coach, especially in corporate or executive coaching. If you want to work for a company as a coach, they may require it. Some businesses and organizations only hire certified coaches. So if you feel like you need structured training to be a better coach, or you want that credential to boost your credibility, a certification can be a great investment. The cons: when you don't need a certification. On the flip side, a certification doesn't automatically mean you'll get clients or make money. It's not legally required to be a coach. Coaching isn't a regulated industry, which means you don't need a certification to get started. It doesn't guarantee success. You can have multiple certifications, but if you don't know how to get clients, you won't have a business. Some of the best, most successful coaches don't have one. They focused on getting results, not collecting credentials. And it can delay you from actually starting your business. Some coaches spend years getting certified, but never take action to actually sign clients. At the end of the day, clients don't hire you because of a certification. They hire you because they trust you help them solve a problem. So, do you need a certification? Here's my take. If getting certified will give you the confidence to actually start coaching and taking clients, go for it. But if you're using it as a reason to avoid putting yourself out there and starting your business, don't do that. Some of the most successful coaches in the industry never got certified. What did they do instead? They started. So if you're feeling stuck, ask yourself, do I actually need this to move forward? Or am I just afraid to put myself out there? Because here's the thing, the fastest way to become a great coach is to start coaching. And I'd love to know, what's your decision? Are you planning to get certified? Are you already certified? Or are you going to start coaching without one? If you're watching this on YouTube, drop your decision in the comments below. Or if you want to talk it out, DM me over on Instagram at Mariah Riona. I'd love to hear where you're at and what you're thinking. And whether you get certified or not, a certification alone will not build your business. You still need to know how to get clients, create offers, and market yourself. And that's exactly what I teach inside of of Dream Client Accelerator. So if you're ready to stop waiting and actually start your coaching business, keep following this series because I'm walking you through exactly how to do it. So now that you know the truth about coaching certifications, let's talk about something just as important: confidence. Because whether you decide to get certified or not, the real key to success as a coach isn't a piece of paper. It's your confidence in your ability to help people. And in tomorrow's episode, I'm breaking down how to feel confident as a coach, even if you're brand new. We're talking about imposter syndrome, fear of putting yourself out there, and the mindset shifts that will help you own your expertise. So hit the subscribe button, grab the workbook, and I'll see you in the next episode. And hey, if you got something out of this episode, could you tap that like button or leave a review on Apple Podcasts? It means the world and helps other new coaches find the support they need too.